ZTE Axon30 real-life photos. A new generation of under-screen camera phone Axon30 will be released on July 27 at 19:00 time. The official has carried out several rounds of preheating. It will be equipped with 120Hz high refresh rate screen, 400 ppi pixel density, 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, and 1.7 billion colors, and 7 layers of highly translucent materials and 3 layers of special technology for greater light transmission. From the official propaganda, this will be an excellent flat true full screen even with the under-screen front camera. The parameters are still comparable to other flagships. In the real world, how this phone looks like digital chat session today brought ZTE Axon30 real-life photos in high quality. As you can see from the pictures, the ZTE Axon30 under-screen camera phone really can't be seen where the front camera is located. The stocked part it's well hidden. The phone chin is not very narrow, which is a matter of opinion. Thank you for watching.
Audio Jungle.